Well, the system's been regassed and we're still on this screeching nonsense. Hello everyone. I've been screwing around with my aircon system for about 2 months now because of a wretched squealing sound. I've replaced the bolts, I've replaced the pulleys, I've fixed a problem with my power heater, I've replaced the whole air compressor, and I've taken the system to get it gassed, and it's still squealing, and I've just figured out what the problem is. It's unbelievably simple. That is what's fixed my problem. The entire reason for my air conditioning drama is a belt that didn't have enough tension on it. I just got back from the shop that was doing the gassing on the system. They said they tried to, but they couldn't get it gassed because the belt was squealing. So I thought, bring it back home, I'll see if I can locate where the belt is squealing from. It is very clear to me now that the source of this squeal is the belt slipping on the crankshaft. And so I've got some slow motion video where you can see very clearly the belt is moving slower than the pulley is. So I messaged Big Dave, as I usually do, because he's faster than ChatGPT, and he said, try tension. Before I tried tension, fired some on, and lo and behold, the squealing immediately stopped. So now that I knew the belt just had a traction problem, I checked to see if there was slack in the belt, and sure enough, it was flapping all over the place. $14mm ratchet out, give that a little tighten, check the belt again to see if it now has tension, and now I have a fully working aircon system. Now I can't lie, I'm frustrated, right? Because I've just spent months without aircon and weeks trying to get this thing fixed. I've spent money on bolts, pulleys, an air compressor, O-rings, and a gas recharge. And actually, the root of the problem in the very first instance was just a slipping belt. I'm disappointed, but at least I've learned something. And I've had a look at the inside of the air compressor. I've learned how to do that now. I've learned how to swap an air compressor. I've learned about getting belt tension correct. I now know what the sound is when a belt is squealing, and hopefully at least you can learn from me, because this has been hours and I've put all the videos up beforehand trying this diagnostic journey, and in the end it's just belt tension. So I think what I'll do is I'll replace the belt with a new one, because if it's been slipping it's bound to be worn. So I'll get a new belt on there and then I'll make sure the tension is right. So I'm a bit bummed, but at least I've got it fixed now and the system's working for our holiday. I hope you found that useful. Maybe you can learn from my mistakes so that you can start with a cheap spray instead of a compressor. But thank you for watching. Thanks everyone for your comments and your support as I've gone through this process. I'll just say thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, stay safe, make good decisions if you can, and I will see you in another video very soon. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.